Akash Missile Defense System. Key feature: Akash is short-range surface missile system to protect vulnerable area from aerial attacks. It can neutralize aerial targets like fighter jets, cruise missiles, and air-to-surface missiles, and even drones. The system is compared for middle platform. The Akash system works in a fire target mode. Each missile is 20 feet long and weighs 710 kilos. Rounds carries a 60 kg warhead. It kills a probability of 88% with single missile and 19% to salvo up to. It is fully automatic and has real-time multi-sensor data processing and threat evaluation capabilities to rapidly acquire, identify, and neutralize targets. It has been used and operational with IAF and Army and AIF variants produced by Bharat Dynamics Limited and Bharat Electronics Limited. Tata Advanced System and Larsen Tabro also contributed in production. Range 25 to 30 km old variant, 70 to 80 km Akash NG new variant, up to 80 to 20 km altitude coverage of missile, speed Mach 2.5 to 3.5 totally indigenous, while ECC CM-MLT variant, high level of automation enables effective operation, 80 km coverage by multi-function radar and 20 km coverage by central location radar. Troops Control Center, Troop Layers Radar, Central Acquisition, Flight Level Radar, Flight Control Center. Akash system was exported to Armenia in 6,000 crore ideal. Led by Surendra Singh Graphic TV News. My eyes filled up when it worked so well, says man behind Akash. Forces used wide range of space assets, both Indian and foreign. Missile crews told speed of supplies. It took 15 years, 8,000 scientists, combined effort of several defense labs to develop ingenious Akash missiles defense system that successfully passed its first battlefield test during Operation Sindoor, said proud Prahlad Ramarao, then project director of the Missile Shield Program of Defense Research and Development Organization. Akash proved a mettle when successfully countered the waves of drones and missile attacks from Pakistan during night of May 8 and 9 along with other systems like S-400, TRIMP and Bark 8. My eyes welled up when my baby worked so well. It is happiest day of my life, said Ramarao, who was handpicked by India's missile man APJ Abdul Kalam as the youngest project director, age of 35, to head Akash program in early 1990. Kalam was then head of DRDO Defense Research Laboratory in Hyderabad. We started work of this project in 1994 with initial budget of 300 crore. You know something and you fail. Several times we also failed, but we learned from our mistakes, developing Rajendra, a complex multi-function twinkling scanned based radar was biggest challenge, but overcame that challenge later Project budget was raised to rupees 500 crore. Ramarao said, I guarantee you, nowhere in the world missile defense system could have been invented in just 500 crore. Akash is the cheapest but effective missile shield. It can detect hostile missile from a distance of 70 km and kill at 30 km range. DRDO veteran and Padma awardee, now 70-year-old, said. After development in 2009, Akash was undergone continuous evolution, resulting several variants, each with capabilities tailored to address specific operational requirements. Hyderabad Indian military operation against Pakistan following Pahalgam test attack may repast but defense surging forward. Missile and drone system supplies in Hyderabad have been directed by central government fast-track deliveries for critical defense systems such as BrahMos and Akash, reports Swati Bharadwaj. Public and private defense manufacturers have been told to work around the clock, strengthen missile stockpiles amid rising threats from based attack. We have been asked to work in over weekends to speed up delivery, said promoter of Hyderabad firm supplying subsystem Akash and BrahMos. Another promoter whose company produces propulsion system for tactical missiles and UAV launched the precision guidance said emergency procurement order from the ministry were under weekly review, which supplies rushed to the meet defense demands. Several port facilities have up several faced cyber attacks from hackers in China, Turkey and Indonesia. This is important. With suppliers rushed to meet defense demands, several faced cyber attacks from hackers in China, Turkey and Indonesia. Indian Armed Forces used a wide range of space assets, domestic and international commercial, to carry out operations Sindoor. Multiple sources confirmed Times of India reports Chandan Kumar. All of our strategic assets were put to use in different ways of our armed forces in Operation Sindoor. Our teams worked around the clock and we proud to ISRO could help our forces in missions important for country. A senior ISRO official to Times of India. Apart from domestic assets directly available with the armed forces, India has 9 to 11 military satellites. ISRO facilitated another official world data from our satellites from the Kastakot series and others were also used for planning images and were procured from Maxar, Apple said. Maxar, the US-based satellite imagery provider, supplies images to multiple government and non-government entities across the world. Indian Armed Forces also have access to other satellite data from